Hello friends. So today we will learn how to launch a Jenkins on Linux environment. So let's we create one EC2 instance and then we will launch a Jenkins on that EC2 instance. So what we need to do first? We need to log into AWS console first. So you can see on my screen I already logged in. So just go and check the EC2 here and go to the EC2 instance. Once it is done, once it is done, go to the instances and create a new instance. So you can see all the instances. I have few instances already on my machine, which is already stopped. So let's create a new instance. Go to the launch instance. I choose a default machine, so Amazon Linux 2, ME. Select. We'll choose a very least type of requirement. It's a L2 micro. Next, choose one instance. Yes. Go. Next. No. We will choose as a default. Next. Configure a security group. Okay. So let's choose all, anywhere. All traffic we are allowing because we are doing just a demonstration, and anywhere. So anyone can go and check. Go and review and launch. So here we can see the warning. Yes, because we choose all the default details, and now I'm just launching the new instance. I'm choosing the default and go click acknowledge and create a new instance. So you can see our new instance is ready to launch. We will go and see. So you can see here it's a pending state. Okay, let me give the name test test Jenkins and save. So here we have an instance which name is test Jenkins. It is showing as a pending right now. Let's wait for a minute. Okay, so now it's showing as a running, correct? So let's go and check the public IP address. Okay, I have a public IP address of this instance. Okay, now I will launch the putty. Friends, we should aware how to connect with the instance first. So we should be aware about the few of the Linux commands. And let's see, I'm choosing the default system color, appearance. I'm choosing the fonts. So once I will connect, it will give me a basic details. So I'm choosing best bold, choose the cap. Okay, let's authenticate. So go and choose your generated key which you have generated before launching. Okay, open. Yes. So let's see. So default user will be the EC2 user for any Linux instance when we are trying to connect. Okay, now we have a Linux instance with us. What we need to do? We need to install a Jenkins on this Linux environment. First of all, we have to go to the root user. So let me change. Okay. So now I am on a root user, correct? Okay. To install Jenkins, first of all, we required a Java, correct? So yum install Java star and C. Okay. Let's see. So it will started installation of Java files. Okay. So installation is going on. Let me check again. we should install actually yum install java star y. So it will check whatever the already installed, it will leave those packages and install all the required package on this environment. So it should be either 238 actually. So few of them already installed, few of the remaining is installing. So when it is done, we will go and install our Jenkins package. So meanwhile, let's go and check. Go to the Jenkins website. Jenkins. Jenkins. We go and see the download for our Linux environment. So we are using the CentOS Fedora Red Hat. Once we are here, we will just go and copy and follow the steps one by one. Correct? So right now it is still installing the Java package. Let's wait for a minute. Good. So now our installation is Java installation is done. Let's move to the to start our Java Jenkins installation. I've copied. Okay. Now next is RPM to import the Jenkins IO key. Okay. Start. Then we will install the Java. Oh, sorry, Jenkins. Now. Okay. Jenkins installation is started. Yes. Downloading the package. Okay. Once it is done, we have to start our Jenkins. So let's wait for a minute. Okay, good. So now our Java installation is done. Let's start. This ctl start. Sorry, I missed. I think Jenkins. Okay, enable. Enable. Okay. So now our Jenkins is ready to launch. Let's go. First of all, we will copy the public IP, paste, give the port number 8080 and wait. So you can see here our Jenkins is ready to launch. Correct? Our Jenkins is ready to launch. Now to launch it, we need a password. So go and check your putty, it, copy. Maybe we got the password. Yes, we got the password. Copy it and paste. Correct? Now continue. So when it is done, okay, maybe something is wrong with the password. Wait, let me copy somewhere else. Just a second. Okay, yes, it is there. No space should be there in the password. Copy and paste. Okay, so yes, now our Jenkins environment is ready to launch. Let's use the install suggested plugins. So once we will click on this, it will install the default suggested plugins. When all is fine, you can have a Jenkins with us. So guys, it not take that much time, only I think 10 to 12 minutes to launch a Jenkins, and it is really very easy to use tool and very essential tools for build up a repository and packages. We can use so many where the Jenkins. Okay, let's go with the I'm just skipping. You can create, you can put your username and password, but I'm keep it as a admin. Okay, and save and finish. Start Jenkins. Wow. So now we are on a Jenkins page. Yes, correct. Here you got the Jenkins website. You already logged in. You can create a job. You can configure with the cloud. You can manage Jenkins. You can install Jenkins and lots of other work. So we will look into the next session where we will connect our Jenkins with the GitHub repository and try to build a package or build a project. Whenever anyone can commit on GitHub, it should be built in a Jenkins. So we will configure it in our next session. Thank you so much. Please join and subscribe my channel.